Welcome. In front of me I have the KODAK K12, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into Fastboot mode. So, to get started, you want to hold power button, and when you have boot options show up, select power off from the options and just confirm it. Next, wait for the device to turn off, at which point, once my camera catches focus, there we go, you will want to hold power button and volume down at the same time. And when you see the KODAK logo on the screen, let go of the power button but keep holding volume down. It's taking a little bit too long, so I'm just gonna let go of the power button already. Oh, yep, it looks like you do need to let go of it just after, like, I don't know, 5-10 seconds. Otherwise the device won't boot up. And it didn't enter recovery mode. Now I know for a fact that these buttons are the correct ones, so I'm gonna just attempt this once more. So let's try that again. First time around I did boot into this mode without a problem, a little bit faster also. So I'm trying to figure out what is different. Okay, there we go. There it's booting up. So I'm gonna let go of the power button. So now I'm only holding the volume down. And again, it didn't go into it. That's freaking fantastic. Okay, attempt number 3, I guess. So I think I know what I'm doing wrong. So again, same buttons. Camera, please stop. Okay, so I'm gonna hold it for a little bit longer and go with it maybe now. So I did hold it for a definitely longer period, and that changed freaking nothing. Awesome. Okay, so I figured out what I was doing wrong, which would imply that somehow I was holding both of these buttons before, which that was my problem. So to enter the recovery mode, we don't hold just volume down, we actually hold both of them, volume up, down, and power button. So just to demonstrate this now, if I do the same thing, go and hold all 3 of them. Again, you're gonna let go of the power button when you see the KODAK logo. There we go. And by mistake, I've had to let go one of them, but it still worked. So you can see we are now in Fastboot mode, or sorry, not Fastboot mode, the recovery mode. So in here, using volume buttons, you want to navigate. So You can press volume down to navigate down, up to go up, and power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. So here to enter Fastboot Mode we have two different ways. We can do the Bootloader or Fastboot Mode, as I don't think there is a Bootloader here. So I'm going to first start off with the Fastboot Mode. I'm going to press power button to confirm it, and here is the actual Fastboot Mode with more options here. As you can see, so we have Reboot System Now, which takes us back to Android, Recovery Mode, which will bring us to the previous page, Reboot to Bootloader, which, like I said, is a Fastboot Mode, and Power Off. And just to show this, I'm going to select this one now, enter, and I'm going to bring it up close. Just make sure it's the other way around. So there we go. You can see that this is also Fastboot Mode. Now to leave this one, you don't have any kind of menu. So to leave this mode, you will need to hold power button and volume down, I believe. Should be typically. First I'm going to try power button only, as I did notice that the device actually turns off by holding it as well, I think. Yep, there we go. So turned off, and we'll see if it's going to boot up on its own. Yes, it is. So you don't need to do anything extra. Just a little wipe down from all the messing around. And anyway, in a second, you'll be taken to the Android. And there we go. So anyway, I hope you found this very helpful, even though it was a little bit lengthy and a little bit of messing around. I still got there at the end, better late than never. So if you did find it helpful, don't forget to smash like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.